là trên đấy mà bộ thì mà này một điều này phản nào mà là tụ bị phách và thì phải giải quyết mà sẵn thì là tụ phần bên đây thì đây là phần là tua đây là số đây là số phải phách mà ini còn trên thì gần mấy năm qua thì mấy năm ta đi ya ta tiền về nặng thì không có tôi được sử dụng Orle laum in swafel manule tuor tama le mo manizan paia. Amen. O se matua e mo mai la mai tu si. La ta fa mo yai. Luka no ta ko lima fe ko se fu tas. Ua tuta o la tu va. O na la tu tu o i leo mea uma. Ai muli atu ya te ia. When they had brought their boats to shore, they left everything and followed him. Ya, utamo to filme la mo utamo la. Ya. Yo mo to o ya to mo to plantar. Ya. Oleh teman ke oleh asing ibu berbuat tahu ini sesuatu oleh awak yang tak tahu ini apa ini susahnya sampai saya ini memang buat. They were trying to look for old things, old artifacts, old objects, old stones, old things, old anything. So they were digging beside the lake of Galilee. All near the lake of Galilee has become so many mud, places where mud has taken over because they dropped the lake level, and so that's how it becomes. Now, terminale tu sermo numero vai, ma il termine Gesù. There's quite a big difference in the level of the vine. You all know the evaporation by sea to Hama. Para tirar el baile. Que de la mud flats, o vaemos el lake, o fatun bien el mar. O la tamata tawai limena. Two people came across some wood, so they started digging, and they slowly dug, and then they found out it was an old boat, so they got the Department of Israel involved. They came and took it, dig it, and cleaned it, and that's what they came up with. And then they tried to find out what it is or what it was. So, in their clever tricks and things, they found out that that's the kind of boat that was very common in the time of Jesus for people to use for fishing. And it's most probably one like the boat that Jesus' disciples used for fishing. So they brought it out, and then I tried really hard to bring a modern video reconstruction that is used by computer, but I couldn't do it. But anyway, so they tried to construct what it really looked like in the time of Jesus. Next slide, please. So they came up with something like that. It looks modern, but it looks like that. That's what the disciples used for fishing. As you heard the reading for today, is that Jesus used one of those boats to preach from. And also he told Peter, hey, put the net into deeper water, cast the net, and they had so much fish. So it's probably like one of those fish. Like one of those boats. So the next boat is the actual drawing of what really happened at that time. They hauled the net overboard, they threw the net overboard, they hauled in a lot of fish. They almost got sunk Even the boat, in fact, there were two boats. This one belonged to Peter and his brother Andrew, the other one belonged to Jacob and his brother John, the children of the sons of Zebedee. So anyway, that's the story for today. It's about the boat. And now Jesus made a miracle using that boat. So that's for the children and some of us to understand what I'm going to talk about.